Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about. Can you use Spocket with Amazon? I get this question a lot, and I know that a lot of people are interested in using Spocket to dropship products on Amazon. So, I decided to do some research and find out the answer for you. Before I get into the answer, let's talk about what Spocket is. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect with suppliers from all over the world. You can then add their products to your store and sell them without having to buy or store any inventory yourself. Can you use Spocket with Amazon? The answer is yes, you can use Spocket with Amazon. However, there are a few things you need to be aware of. Amazon doesn't allow dropshipping from third-party sellers. This means that you can't use Spocket to ship products directly to Amazon customers. Instead, you will need to ship the products to yourself first, and then you can ship them to Amazon customers. You need to comply with Amazon's seller policies. This includes having a valid seller account, providing accurate product information, and shipping products on time. You need to be careful about the products you sell. Amazon has a strict policy against selling counterfeit or prohibited products. If you sell any of these products, your account could be suspended or terminated. How to use Spocket with Amazon? If you're interested in using Spocket with Amazon, here are the steps you need to follow. Create a Spocket account. Connect your Spocket account to your Amazon account. Find products that you want to sell on Amazon. Add the products to your Amazon store. Fulfill orders from Amazon. Benefits of using Spocket with Amazon. There are a number of benefits to using Spocket with Amazon. You can access a wide variety of products from suppliers all over the world. You don't have to buy or store any inventory yourself. You can save money on shipping costs. You can build your own brand and reputation. So, can you use Spocket with Amazon? The answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to be aware of. If you're willing to follow the rules, you can use Spocket to build a successful dropshipping business on Amazon. Thanks for watching.